Hi, you are not hard to love, but you are really immune to manipulation. Like, you are a person who asks a lot of questions, notices almost all the patterns. You need clarity in conversation. You prefer transparency over vague commitments and vague promises. And honestly speaking, after dealing with so many people in my life, I have stopped, glorifying the bare minimum. Like, if you want me in your life, if you want me to be there with you alongside, I really want you to, step up your game. And I really appreciate that you do a lot. Like, there should be signs and efforts that you are making. It should not be a bare minimum, and definitely I'm not gonna glorify it. एंड ऑनेस्टली हम लोगों को ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट के कैटेगरी में रख दिया है लोगों ने कि शी इज टू डिफिकल्ट टू डेट, शी इज टू मच, शी इज जस्ट अ लॉट ड्रामेटिक, शी क्वेश्चंस एवरीथिंग, शी इज सफोकेटिंग मी. नहीं भाई, वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनी ऑफ दैट क्रैप. We are actually very conscious, we are emotionally very smart and mature to exactly know कि चल क्या रहा है. Like, we don't like to guess games, we just don't like to be controlled. We know क्या चाहिए, we know कब चाहिए, and we are very smart and clear about our emotional and mental needs. एंड उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, लोगों ने ना हमें कैसे कैटेगराइज कर दिया कि यार तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट है, बहुत डिमांडिंग है, इसलिए हम इसको डेट नहीं कर सकते या डेट नहीं करेंगे या डेट लायक ही नहीं है, whatever. So they do this, but honestly speaking, from a female to all the females or feminine people out there, it is not you who is very hard to love. Do not change your patterns, do not fall for the crap कि यार तुम ही में प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज तुम बहुत क्लैरिटी में बिलीव करते हो या तुम ऐसे मैनिपुलेट नहीं हो रहे हो उनके लिटिल पेटी गेम्स के साथ में. सो बिकॉज मुझे ये लगता है कि नाउ इतने हार्ड चीजों के बाद में, इतनी ऑफुल रॉन्ग डेट्स के साथ में, अब वो लेवल आ गया है दैट वी लव आवर सेल्फ एंड वी नो क्या चाहिए, वी नो कब चाहिए. सो if you can offer that, it's good. If you cannot, just go away, make the space so that we can actually go out and explore जो actually हमें वो emotional level, emotional maturity और emotional platform पे आके हम same time पे we can find someone who is there rather than actually hunting in a pit कि यार सारे ऐसे ही हैं और सारे हमें ही कैटेगराइज कर रहे हैं कि तुम ही डिफिकल्ट हो. सो डोंट लेट एनीवन फूल यू इनटू चेंजिंग योर रियल सेल्फ. यू लव योरसेल्फ टू मच and you don't owe nonsense to anyone, and it is very good that you have loved yourself this way कि भाई हम नहीं हो सकते manipulate. And I really think that you should send this thing to your friend who really needs to deserve this and who is changing her core personality for the other person. Let's just fix her brain and put some sense into her head. So do send her this. And yeah, it's the Unconventional Sister, and I'm definitely gonna turn up with more such interesting videos. And if you want me to research about some topics and talk about something or try something myself, leave a comment or DM me, and I can definitely try or do it or talk about it. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.